English medium question paper of General Foundation course, Entrepreneurship Development. HSC board exam September 2021. General Foundation course, English medium. Maximum marks 60 marks question paper. In this question paper 3 pages and time 2.5 hours. तर यापूर्वी आपण सप्टेंबर 2021ला जी परीक्षा झाली त्याचा मराठी माध्यमाचा पूर्ण अभ्यासक्रमावर आधारित पेपर पाहिलेला आहे. त्याच्या अगोदर 75% अभ्यासक्रमावरती असलेला इंग्लिश मीडियम आणि मराठी माध्यमाचा देखील पेपर आपण पाहिलेला आहे की जे कोरोनाच्या परिस्थितीवरती आधारित 75% अभ्यासक्रम म्हणजेच 25% अभ्यासक्रम वगळून जी प्रश्नपत्रिका काढली होती ती आपण पाहिलेली आहे. आता ही पूर्ण अभ्यासक्रमावरती जे आधारित सप्टेंबर 2021मध्ये परीक्षा घेण्यात आली की जे पूर्वीचे रिपीटर विद्यार्थी होते त्यांच्यासाठी हा क्वेश्चन पेपर होता. तर या क्वेश्चन पेपरचा पॅटर्न, प्रत्येक प्रश्नाला असलेले मार्क आणि ती पेपर कसा सोडवायचा याविषयी तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी मी गायडन्स करणार आहे की जे विशेषतः इंग्लिश मीडियमच्या विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी अत्यंत उपयुक्त आहे. ओके, तर पाहूया आपण हा जनरल फाउंडेशन कोर्स, कोड नंबर आहे 90, इंग्लिश मीडियम एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेव्हलपमेंट. तर एकूण 5 प्रश्न असतात पहा प्रश्नपत्रिकेमध्ये. प्रत्येक प्रश्नाला 12 मार्क असे 5 प्रश्न असतात. त्यातला पहिला क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह, and question number 2, 3, 4 short answer type question, and question number 5 long answer type question or broad answer type question. Instructions: all questions are compulsory. All questions carry equal marks. Each question 12 marks. So all questions carry equal marks. Figures to the right indicates full marks. Question number 1. A. Select the correct alternative and rewrite the sentence. Objective type question, marks 4. In this main question, 4 sub-questions. A. Dash are mainly based on traditional skill and arts. And option: small scale industries, service industries, cottage industries, ancillary industries. And this question's answer is cottage industries. Cottage industries are mainly based on traditional skill and arts. Okay. Next, B. Action and dash dash are the 2 main elements in network analysis. Network analysis elements: action and dash dash. And option is event, plan, decision, message. And answer: elements of network analysis, action and events. So this question answer is event. Action and event are 2 main elements in network analysis. 1 mark. Okay. Next, C. Registration of small scale industries is at dash dash. Registration: when you establishment a project or industry, this industry registration in option is Nationalized Bank, Midcon, Khadi and Village Industries Corporation, District Industry Center. and correct answer is District Industries Center. Registration of small scale industries is at District Industries Center. Okay, page number 1 completed. Page number 2. Dash dash is an art of diverting the mind of the customers to purchase the goods. Option: market survey, salesmanship, standardization, market research. Diverting the mind of customer is called salesmanship. So correct answer: salesmanship is an art of diverting the mind of the customers to purchase the goods. 1 mark. Okay. Next, B. Match the pairs. 4 marks. Group A and Group B. Group A, economics, elements of consumer behavior. B. Prevention of environment damage. C. Issue of material. D. Transport. Group B, A. Material requisition note. Second, place utility. Third, income and saving. Fourth, social consideration for project. And fifth, culture and traditional. Match the pairs. Group A, economics elements of consumer behavior. And correct answer in Group B is income and saving. Economic elements of consumer behavior. Match pair. Group B correct answer, income and saving. Okay. P. Prevention of environment damage. Prevention of environment damage. Correct answer in Group B, social consideration for project. Okay. Next, C. Issue of material. Group B answer, material requisition note. Given material requisition note and when issue of material. Okay, so issue of material, match pair, material requisition note. D. Transport. Transport. Group B answer, place utility. Okay, match the pairs. 4, each 1 marks, total marks 4. Next, C. State whether following statement are true or false. True or false, 4 marks. Given 4 sentences, each 1 marks. A. Entrepreneur study surrounding by network analysis. Entrepreneur study surrounding by network analysis. This sentence is false. Next, the headquarters of Maharashtra Center for Entrepreneurship Development is called MCED, is at Aurangabad. True. C. The project report provides all details necessary for establishing in new units. The project report provides all details necessary for establishing in new units. Okay, this sentence is right, correct. True. D. The techniques and skills cannot required by training. This sentence false. Okay. Next, question number 2. Define and explain any 4, 12 marks. In this question, any 4 definitions and explanation. Given 6 definitions, but write any 4 definitions and its explanation. Each definition 1 marks and definitions explanation 2 marks. A self-employment. Write correct definition 1 marks and write explanation of self-employment 2 marks. Okay. B. Time scheduling. Write definition of time scheduling 1 marks and explanation of time scheduling 2 marks, total 3 marks. C. Cost concept. Meaning of or definition of cost concept 1 marks and explain of cost concept 2 marks. D. Issue of material. Write definition of issue of material 1 marks and explain issue of material 2 marks, total 3 marks. E. Marketing. Write definition of marketing 1 marks and explain marketing 2 marks. F. Working capital. Working capital. Write definition of working capital 1 marks and explain working capital and uses of working capital 2 marks. Okay, total 12 marks. Next, question number 3. Write short notes any 4, 12 marks. A. Publicity and advertisement. Explain publicity 1.5 marks and advertise 1.5 marks. Any 3 point of publicity and 3 point of advertisement, half mark each point. Publicity and advertisement is essential for project. Write points of object, cost, challenge, remunerations, duration. This point. Any 3 point with explanation, each point 1 marks in publicity and advertisement. B. Importance of training. Importance of training. Higher performance, less learning period, uniformity of procedures, manpower development, economy of material and equipments. Write any 3 point with explanation, each point 1 marks. C. Small scale industries. Meaning of small scale industries 1 mark. And explanation 2 marks. Government policy, capital limit, increasing employment in this point. D. Bin card. Meaning of bin card 1 marks and explanation 2 marks. In this explanation, registration of material stock, need of purchase, value of material. E. Search for business idea. Meaning of search for business idea 1 marks and explain 2 marks. Unlisted material, competitor profit, customers expectation. 2 marks. F. National Industrial Development Corporation, NIDC. Establishment of NIDC, 1 marks. Functions of NIDC, 1 marks, and explanation, 1 marks. Total 3 marks. Okay. Question number 4. Answer in brief any 4, 12 marks. A. Difference between water and air transport. Water transport, air transport. Meaning, route, speed, transport capacity, expenditure, use, safety. This point, any 3 difference point, each point 1 mark. Okay. B. Qualities of successful entrepreneur. Qualities of successful entrepreneurs: self-confidence, long-term involvement, high energy level, persistent problems solver, problem solver, initiative, goal setter, moderate risk taker. Write any 3 point with explanation, 1 mark each. C. Types of consumer by nature. Types of customers by natures: silent, talkative, shy, confused, fixed-minded, unconfirmed, excited, perfect, rude, handicapped. Write any 6 point, half marks each point. Total 3 marks. D. Importance of network analysis. Importance of network analysis. Write meaning, 1 marks. Importance: minimum time and expenses, communication between various types of work, facing problems, any 2 points with explanation, 1 mark each. So explanation 2 marks and meaning 1 marks, total 3 marks. E. Importance of employer and employees industrial relationship. Meaning and importance of employer, 1.5 marks. Meaning and importance of employee, 1.5 marks. Total 3 marks. F. Way of selection of project. Write the way of selection of project: most beneficiarious project, market and future demand, availability of competitor, industrial planning, government facilities. Write any 3 point with explanation, 1 mark each. Okay. Question number 4. Answer in brief any 4, total mark 12. Next, question number 5. Long answer type question or broad question. Answer the following questions. A. What is bookkeeping and accounting? State difference between bookkeeping and accounting, 6 marks. Bookkeeping and accounting and its difference. Write bookkeeping meaning, 1 mark. Accounting meaning, 1 mark. Difference of bookkeeping and accounting, 4 difference. Write 4 difference point, 4 marks. In this point, stages: starting of work, nature of work, ledgering, conclusion, financial statement, period, responsibility. Any 4 point difference point, each mark, 1 mark each point. So difference point, write 4 point and 4 marks. And write definition or meaning, bookkeeping and accounting, 2 marks. B. What is meant by salesmanship? Meaning of salesmanship. State the importance of salesmanship. Right? Meaning meant by salesmanship means meaning or definition of salesmanship 2 marks, and importance of salesmanship 4 marks. View of manufacturer 1 marks, view of seller 1 marks, view of consumer 1 marks, view of society 1 marks. Total importance 4 point, right, and 4 marks, and definition 2 marks, total 6 marks. Or question number 5, broad answer type question or long answer type question. These questions, 2 sub questions A and B, or next question number 5 or questions. In this question also A and B. So write upper A and B or lower A and B. Okay. Question number 5. A. What is meant by break-even point? State the importance of break-even point. Break-even point, meaning or definitions of break-even point. No profit, no loss point is called break-even point. 2 marks. Importance, write for any 4 importance point with explanation. No profit, no loss point is business, fixed cost, variable cost in taking decision, increase in sales, reduce loss, and increase profit. Any 4 point with explanation, 1 mark each, total 4 marks, and definition 2 marks, total 6 marks. Okay. B. Write advantages and disadvantages of rail transport. Advantages of rail transport, write any 6 advantages of rail transport. Write any 6 advantages of railway transport. Half mark each point, total mark 3. And write any 6 disadvantages of railway transport. Half mark each, 3 marks. So advantages of railway transport 3 marks, and disadvantages of railway transport 3 marks, total 6 marks. Okay. This question paper solved in your notebook. Okay.